हेलो जी, नमस्कार, सलाम, सत श्री अकाल. Wish you all a very warm welcome to this wonderful channel. Unacademy NEET Elixir channel welcomes you for this wonderful session. Let me know that the audio, video, everything is clear. You can see me, you can hear me clearly. Great, Ji, great. So, with so much of positive energy, with so much of zeal, we are going to start the session. And let me see all my Raja Beta and Rani Betiyam. I have Dibesh, I have Faizan, Priyanshu, Tiratraj, Akshit, Ananya Sarkar, Ritik, Sarthak, Dipanvita. Wonderful. It really gives a nice feeling when I see my regular students attending the sessions. Regularity is a very important factor which is going to determine your success. एंड भाई हमें वर्ल्ड फेमस डॉक्टर बनना है ना? सबको बनना है वर्ल्ड फेमस डॉक्टर, बनना है ना? बताओ मुझे, सबको वर्ल्ड फेमस डॉक्टर बनना है? भाई बिल्कुल बनना है. तो हमें करना क्या है इसके लिए? चलो सुनो मेरी एक बात, बड़ी बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट बात बताने जा रहा हूं. वो बात ये है कि हम आपके लिए एलिक्सिर ड्रॉपर बैच लेकर के आ रहे हैं for NEET UG 2024. What is the name of the batch? Elixir Dropper Batch. Elixir means अमृत, है ना? अमृत जो होता है, समुद्र मंथन जब कर रहा था उसे अमृत निकलता है ना. सो वो बैच हम आपके लिए लेके आ रहे हैं क्योंकि हम उसमें आपको नीट जो है ना, नीट की तैयारी बिल्कुल अमृत की तरह कराएंगे. सो उस बैच के लिए द ओरिएंटेशन फॉर दैट बैच इज गोइंग टू हैपन व्हेन? दैट इज गोइंग टू हैपन ऑन 21st of July. मेरे पीछे देख पा रहे हैं ना? सो द ओरिएंटेशन विल बी ऑन 21st July at 7 p.m. That means tomorrow. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon also. So tomorrow I'll be live with you people at 7 p.m. Anoop sir will also be there. Then you will be having Swati ma'am also. So what we'll be discussing in that orientation, that how we are going to teach in that dropper batch. All the details we'll be sharing with you people tomorrow. So you have to attend that orientation session. Chali. As far as male reproductive system is concerned, we have already discussed about the structure of testes. We discussed about secondary sex organs of the male, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles. So already these lectures are there on the channel. I request you to explore the playlist and watch these lectures also. Is it clear? All my Raja Beta and Rani Betiyam? Debesh is asking for free special classes. Debesh, very soon you will find a complete schedule on the Unacademy Plus platform where I am taking free special classes for my wonderful students. So I request all of you to follow my profile on the Unacademy Plus platform. I hope all of you must have installed the Unacademy Learners app in your mobile phone. Installation of the app is completely free. Once you install, just follow my profile. That's what you have to do, right? And then leave it on me, right जी? Clear है मेरे बच्चे? रतनदीप, प्रतीक, प्रेरणा, देवेश, आर्यमा पांडे जी, सब बढ़िया है, all is well. Okay, my Raja Beta and Rani Beti. Let's start with the seminal fluid, semen, which is the male reproductive fluid, and the structure of the sperm, which is the male gamete. I'll be telling you each and every detail, every possible question which can be framed. Ratandeep is saying biology king Dr. Sachin Kapur. Thank you so much, Ratandeep. God bless you with so much of positive energy, love, peace and prosperity. So my Raja Beta and Rani Betiyam, we are discussing Unit 6 of Class 12th syllabus, that is reproduction, right? And this Unit 6 has 4 chapters. Chapter 1 is reproduction in organisms. New NCERT mein this chapter is not given, but definitely I'll be teaching you this chapter also. Then sexual reproduction in flowering plants. This chapter is being taken by Swati Batra ma'am. You have attended her session. Daily she is live on the channel at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Swati Batra ma'am. 3 p.m. it is Dr. Sachin Kapur, and then 4 p.m. it is ANOOP Right, ji? So this chapter is covered by the botany expert, by the botany specialist, that is Swati Batra ma'am. I hope today you have attended her session. Arima, Varun, have you people attended the session on sexual reproduction in flowering plants? It just happened few minutes ago on the channel. If in any case you are not able to attend the session live, I request you to attend the session, watch it, right? Human reproduction, I am teaching you. Reproductive health also, I will be teaching you. So when you open the NCERT, you find that this chapter looks like this. So just to give you a feel of the NCERT. चलिए जी, तैयार हैं सब? Right जी? Arima, with the positive thought, shall we start with the session? Faizan beta, Tirath, those of you who have not pressed the like button, please press the like button. When you press the like button, you mark your attendance in my heart as well as on my channel. Quality education should reach each and every student so that the students are able to differentiate what is actually quality education and what is entertainment. There is a difference between the two, right? Okay, ji. Male reproductive system includes primary sex organs, secondary sex organs. Primary sex organs are also called gonads, and secondary sex organs kya hai? Just giving you a quick recap of what we have done in the previous sessions. Secondary sex organs include the epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, Copper's glands, and the male copulatory organ, that is penis. Clear hai ji? Right? Ananya Sarkar says that ma'am ne hibiscus ka dissection bhi karaya tha. Muaz Hussain, what you are saying is right. Bilkul sahi. Acha suno, primary sex organs are testes. Testes ka function is to produce the gametes and the male sex hormones. Secondary sex organs do not produce the gametes. What is their function? Their function is they help in transportation, maturation, and storage of gametes. So all these structures which you can see, they are not producing the sperms. They are storing the sperms, transporting the sperms. They are helping in maturation of the sperms. That is the function of secondary sex organs. Clear hai ji? जैसे epididymis क्या करता था? Epididymis is the primary storehouse for the sperms. Store the sperms, responsible for sperm maturation, for the sperm motility also. And then what is vas deferens doing? Vas deferens we have discussed in the previous session also. Long muscular tube which arises from testes, moves up towards abdomen, then urinary bladder ko cross karke it receives another duct from seminal vesicles. As you can see, this green color thing, ये vas deferens है. Vas deferens sperm store करता है, बिल्कुल करता है. Vas deferens is the secondary storehouse for sperms. Okay, RMA Pandey, I have read your request. I'll try my best for this. So Raja beta याद रखिएगा, vas deferens is the secondary storehouse for sperms. Sperms can remain viable or they can remain stored in vas deferens for several months. Right? But once the sperms are ejaculated, once they are released from the male body, then into the female reproductive tract, then sperm survives for how many hours? Okay, answer my question. जल्दी से मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए रतनदीप. During sexual intercourse, semen is deposited in the vagina of the female. There the sperms in the female reproductive tract, they can survive or they can remain viable for how many hours or how many days? सार्थक, ऋतिक, दीपान्विता, सोनू, जल्दी से बताइए. For how many hours sperms can remain viable in the female reproductive tract? बिल्कुल सही जवाब. दीपान्विता, सार्थक, आर्यमा, ऋतिक, अनन्या सबने सही जवाब दिया. 72 आवर्स तक जो है स्पर्म सर्वाइव करते हैं फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ट्रैक्ट में. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. आज हमने डिस्कस करना है सीमेन, मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव फ्लूइड. So semen is produced by what? The accessory glands, male accessory glands. Semen has the seminal plasma and it has the spermatozoa. Sperms are produced by testes, but the liquid portion or the seminal plasma, that is contributed by accessory glands, right? Remember one thing, even the seminiferous tubules, they are also producing a fluid. Epididymis is also producing a fluid. That's why the sperms are being pushed forwards because of that fluid movement. तो जो fluid है, the fluid secreted by seminiferous tubules and the epididymis, it forms nearly 5% of the total volume of semen. ठीक है जी? Semen का लगभग 5% जो है, that is formed by the secretions of the seminal, that is formed by secretion of seminiferous tubules and epididymis. अब इसके अलावा there are other glands also. accessory glands में. अच्छा, my question from this is, what you can see on the screen, my question is, out of these glands, which one is unpaired? Can you find out the unpaired? Ritik says that, sir, please show us some videos related to surgery. Definitely, in the coming classes, I'll show you videos related to surgery also. So, Raja Beta, my question is, tell me the male accessory sex gland which is unpaired, which is single, which is of the size of a walnut, अखरोट जैसी जो है. ऋतिक, सोनू, प्रियांशु, रतनदीप, सार्थक, ज्ञानदीप, हुसैन, जल्दी से. प्रियांशु, फैजान, दीपान्विता, सबने सही जवाब दिया. प्रोस्टेट. सो राजा बेटा, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है नीट में कि सेमिनल वेसिकल्स पेयर्ड हैं. देयर आर टू. मैक्सिमम सेमिनल फ्लूइड, द कंट्रीब्यूशन, दैट इज बाय सेमिनल वेसिकल्स. बल्बोयूरिथ्रल ग्लैंड्स पेयर्ड होती हैं, मटर के दाने के साइज जितनी, दे आर ऑफ द साइज ऑफ पी सीड एंड दे आल्सो कंट्रीब्यूट लिटिल बिट टू द सेमिनल फ्लूइड, है ना. याद रखना है. lubricating secretions. Now this beautiful diagram is for you people to understand. You can see urinary bladder, you can see the seminal vesicles, right? You can see prostate gland and you can see a cut portion of the penis also. You will be getting the PDF. I hope I am daily sharing the PDF with you people on the Telegram, Unacademy NEET Elixir channel Telegram पर you are getting the PDFs regularly, class 11th as well as class 12th. ठीक है जी. तो सारे डायग्राम्स आपको मिल जाएंगे. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी फॉर दिस. नाउ सेमिनल वेसिकल्स क्या बनाती हैं? मैक्सिमम कंट्रीब्यूशन इज बाय सेमिनल वेसिकल. सीमेन की कॉम्पोजिशन की बात कर रहे हैं. शुगर, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा, विच इज द शुगर विच इज यूज्ड बाय स्पर्म्स. सो फ्रक्टोज इज द शुगर विच इज यूज्ड बाय स्पर्म्स फॉर एटीपी प्रोडक्शन, राइट. इसके अलावा सेमिनल वेसिकल इज ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूसिंग प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन्स. मैंने पहले भी बताया था, प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन्स आर अ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एरेकिडोनिक एसिड. They are functioning as local hormone. When semen is deposited in the vagina of the female, prostaglandins, they cause mild uterine contractions, halka halka uterine contractions to suck the sperms upwards. So we can say that prostaglandins are helping in the transportation of the sperm in the female reproductive tract. Right? Clear hai ji? Seminal vesicle is also producing fibrinogen. Ab you will say fibrinogen is something related to blood clotting. Semen also clots. When the semen is ejaculated, it clots. Now, why it clots, we have still not been able to understand this thing properly. Within few minutes, then semen liquefies also. Clear? That is the property. Prostate gland, एक है. Prostate gland is single, right? Size of a golf ball. That's why I said it is unpaired. And as the age advances in certain males after 45 years of age, prostate का जो है problem हो जाता है BPH, benign prostate hyperplasia. So I told you that sometimes we have to remove the prostate gland surgically also. Prostatectomy surgery करना पड़ता है. Prostate gland क्या बना रहा है? What is the contribution of prostate to the semen? Prostate gives a milky, slightly acidic fluid, 6.5 के करीब. See, sperms, they cannot survive in an acidic pH. Why majority of the sperms, they die when semen is deposited in vagina? Because the pH in vagina is acidic. Lactobacillus acidophilus bacteria is present in vagina, which converts glycogen into lactic acid. Lactic acid makes the pH acidic, and sperms, they cannot tolerate that acidic pH, right? But the semen neutralizes that acidity. क्लियर है जी. तो प्रोस्टेटिक सिक्रीशंस का पीएच जो है 6.5 है. ओवरऑल सीमेन का पीएच 7.4 के करीब है. प्रोस्टेटिक सिक्रीशंस हैव सिट्रिक एसिड आल्सो, दैट इज आल्सो यूज्ड फॉर द एनर्जी. इन द प्रीवियस सेशन आल्सो आई टोल्ड यू दैट देयर इज लाइसोजाइम, अमाइलेज, हाई एल्यूरोनिडेज. लाइसोजाइम आपको याद है? बैक्टीरियोसाइडल एंजाइम. Lysozyme ruptures the cell wall of the gram-positive bacteria, and lysozyme is present in your saliva also, in your sweat also. There are many body secretions which are having lysozyme. Is that clear जी? वाशु पुंडीर, कैसे मेरे बच्चे? ऋतिक, प्रेरणा, प्रधान, सार्थक, आर्यमा पांडे. Press the like button यार. If you have still not pressed the like button, give me some energy, right? For ATP production. अच्छा जी, एक और इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, सेमिनल प्लाज्मिन. सेमिनल प्लाज्मिन इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन सीमेन. सेमिनल प्लाज्मिन इज एन एंटीबायोटिक, इंपॉर्टेंट, अ नेचुरल एंटीबायोटिक in the semen that is going to kill the bacteria which may be naturally present in the seminal fluid, right जी. प्रोस्टेटिक सिक्रीशंस का कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना है? 20 to 25% to the total volume of semen. Remember, सबसे ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन किसका है? Maximum contribution is by seminal vesicles. Then comes the prostatic secretions, 20 to 25%. Prostatic secretions में क्या क्या है वो भी हमने पढ़ लिया. अच्छा, these small glands are also very important. They are bulbourethral glands, also called Copper's glands. And what is their size? मटर के दाने जितने हैं. And जैसे जैसे एज बढ़ती जाती है, with the advancing age, their size keeps on shrinking. They are producing, Raja Beta, a kind of lubricating fluid. When a person is sexually excited, these glands produce a lubricating fluid. और ये जो fluid है, it lubricates the passage of urethra. Urethra के through urine also comes out, seminal fluid also comes out, and this fluid also neutralizes the acidity in the urine. Is it clear, ji? Copper's glands, right? Muskan says, sir, you are already energetic. Ratandeep, Muskan, I am energetic because of the likes which are given by you people and the beautiful comments which you make. So it's written, Copper's glands during sexual arousal secrete alkaline fluid which neutralizes the acidity, and जो mucus होता है उसमें that lubricates the end of the penis. What is the end of the penis called, which remains covered by foreskin? The end of the penis is the swollen portion that is called glans penis, okay? That gets lubricated and that facilitates the sexual intercourse. Ananya has been repeatedly requesting for the white background. Ananya, okay, in the coming days we'll definitely do that. I know you have requested for this multiple times. I will ensure that this should happen. This diagram is important, Raja Beta. The transverse section of the penis. Penis का अगर transverse section काटें तो we find that penis has 3 columns of spongy erectile tissue, that is corpora cavernosa and corpus spongiosum. Okay, let me use another color. Say I'm using red color. Can you see corpora cavernosa and can you see the corpus spongiosum also? There are 2 columns of corpora cavernosa and 1 corpus spongiosum. When a person is sexually excited, these tissues, they get filled up with blood. The arterial supply of blood to the penis increases and the venous drainage from the penis decreases. So, agar arterial supply of blood has increased and the venous drainage has decreased, naturally there is a kind of hydrostatic pressure which is created, and that results in the erection of the penis. Is this clear? Right, Ji? Priyanshu says that your sessions are very informative and it feels like we are real medical students. Yes, definitely you are medical students, my Raja Beta. You have to understand your subject properly so that whenever you get a question, even when you go to MBBS first year, you should be able to answer it. So now, as you can see here, I have shown here what? I have shown you a cut section of the penis, right? A cut section where you can see those corpora cavernosa and corpus spongiosum. ये देखिए corpus spongiosum के through urethra pass होती है. Urethra का भी sectional view दिखाया है. ठीक है जी? Urethra is a common duct in males. It carries urine as well as seminal fluid. Raja Beta, that is the reason that urethra is called urinogenital duct. Shall I write here? They ask this question sometimes. Urethra, in case of males, we call it urinogenital duct. Why we call it urinogenital duct? Because Raja Beta and Rani Betiyan also, kahin naraz na ho jana, it carries urine as well as semen. But please remember, at one time only one fluid can pass. When male is urinating, passing out urine, at that time semen cannot pass out. But when male is ejaculating, releasing the semen from the body, then urine cannot pass out. ठीक है जी? तीर्थराज जी, क्लियर है मेरे बच्चे? आशुतोष, दीपन्विता, सार्थक, wonderful, great. Hit the like button also. Hit the like button, and you have promised me that you will share these sessions with at least 5 of your good friends who are preparing for NEET examination. Okay, all my Raja Beta, let me tell you what is ejaculation. Ejaculation means release of the semen from the urethra to the exterior. At the peak of the sexual activity, there is involuntary contraction of the muscles of certain regions of male reproductive tract, जिसके कारण semen is thrown out forcibly. That is what is called ejaculation. Is it clear? Right, Ritik, Hadia? समझ आ रहा है प्रियांशु? Wonderful. Now, it is a reflex action. It is something which is a reflex action. This in detail you will study when you will be in MBBS first year. You can watch my videos of MBBS first year anatomy, physiology and biochemistry also on YouTube. There are hundreds of videos of mine already available on YouTube, even at the Unacademy platform. Simply type my name in the YouTube, Dr. Sachin Kapur Genetics, Dr. Sachin Kapur Evolution, Dr. Sachin Kapur Human Health and Disease, Dr. Sachin Kapur Biotechnology. You will get hundreds of videos. Right, ji? Clear hai, ji? Or am I saying hydrostatic pressure means pressure exerted by blood at the resting position? Okay, see, Raja Beta, what happens is, what I meant to say, that when the penis is getting erected, how it happens? Person is sexually excited, amount of blood which is flowing towards the penis has increased, and the amount of blood which is coming out of the penis has comparatively less. That results in creation of a pressure, which results in erection of the penis. Ananya, thank you so much for sending me pizza. Now, one important thing, this reflex ejaculation is coordinated by lumbar portion of spinal cord. हमारा स्पाइनल कॉर्ड होता है ना, तो वहाँ के लंबर रीजन से ये रिफ्लेक्स सेक्शन कोऑर्डिनेट होता है. कई बार मेल्स में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है दैट इफ देयर इज एन इंजरी टू द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, देयर इज सम एक्सीडेंट एंड द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड लंबर रीजन हैज बीन इंजर्ड, देन अ मेल मे नॉट बी एबल टू अचीव इरेक्शन. We will discuss about this problem that is called erectile dysfunction. ठीक है ऋतिक? Now, shall I proceed forward? This point, smooth muscle sphincter. Sphincters, you understand? Ring of circular muscles. Smooth muscle sphincters at the base of urinary bladder close. When a person is ejaculating, the sphincter of the urinary bladder closes so that urine cannot pass out, right? Preventing the urine from being expelled during ejaculation. And even the semen should not go back into the urinary bladder. There is a clinical problem also called retrograde ejaculation, in which the semen goes back into the urinary bladder. That is a clinical problem, right? Ratandeep beta, Ananya, Kundan, Faizan, wonderful. जी सार्थक, देवांश मलिक, God bless you all. आगे बढ़ते हैं. अच्छा, there is a difference between ejaculation and emission. You will come across this term also in many books. Emission, ejaculation, emission. What is the difference? Let's understand. See, when the ejaculation has not occurred, a male is sexually excited and ejaculation is about to occur at the peak of the sexual activity. Just before that, there is emission. What is emission? Let's read. Even before ejaculation occurs, peristaltic contractions happen. Peristaltic contractions happen where? Peristaltic contractions happen in epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, ejaculatory duct, prostate gland, and they push the semen into penile portion of the urethra. Not outside the body of the male. We are talking about this thing inside also. When I say ejaculation, that means semen has been released from the body. But something which is happening inside the male reproductive tract, that is what is emission. Clear hai mere bachche? Devansh? This leads to emission, that is the discharge of small volume of semen before the ejaculation. Right? Is this point clear? Now, you must have heard about that emission which occurs during sleep, particularly during the teenage. There is nocturnal emission. Right? We call it nocturnal emission. That means during the sleep itself, if a person is having some kind of dream or may not be having some kind of sexually exciting dream, then also this normal physiological process can happen. Right? This is called nocturnal emission. And as the age advances, as the body develops, this automatically goes off. Is that clear, Ji? Right, Prerana? Have you people understood what is emission and what is ejaculation? There's a difference between the two. Dipanvita says it is very informative. That is what my aim is, to provide you quality and crystal clear education. Raja beta, let's understand one clinical problem which is related to male reproductive system. We call it impotence or erectile dysfunction. Short में लिख देते ED. Generally, we do not use the word impotence because it is something derogatory. थोड़ा अपमानित लगता है कि अगर आप किसी को impotent कह रहे हैं. So a better clinical term is ED, erectile dysfunction. What is the meaning of erectile dysfunction? It means inability to achieve or maintain successful erection of the penis so that penetrative sexual intercourse is not possible. Is it clear? Now, the reasons for impotence can be different. In majority of the cases, we find that the reason is psychological, right? We can have proper counseling with the patient, and the patient might be having some kind of fear of the sexual intercourse. We call it coitophobia. Then after proper counseling, the problem is solved. But sometimes the problem is at the physiological level. There can be some injury to the blood vessels of the penis, injury to the nerves of the penis, there can be an injury to the lumbar region of spinal cord. So we actually need to find out what is the root cause for this thing. Is it clear, ji? So there can be different reasons for erectile dysfunction, but mostly it is psychological. I hope you have understood. Enjoying the session? Can I have a sip of water? Great. सवाल में राजा बेटा एंड रानी बेटियां. शैल आई प्रोसीड? प्रेरणा, दीपान्विता, चैट बॉक्स में बताइए मुझे. इतना क्लियर है? मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूं. Semen, mixture of sperm and seminal fluid or the seminal plasma. We use the term seminal plasma also, like we use, yes, R.M. Pandey, it can be cured, right? If it is psychological. And if it is pathological, some kind of physiological basis there, then only an expert doctor can tell that what is the proper course of treatment. Radhika Mittal ji, clear hai mere bacche, my future doctors? Semen is a mixture of seminal fluid and sperms, right ji? Now, what is this seminal plasma? ये plasma से क्या मतलब है? What is seminal plasma? The liquid that consists of secretions from seminiferous tubules, seminal vesicles, prostate, bulbourethral glands, जितना भी liquid part है, that is what is seminal plasma. Now, एक single ejaculation में, what is the amount of the semen which is released? The volume of semen in a typical ejaculation is 2.5 to 5 ml. 2.5 से 5 ml के करीब होता है. And what is the sperm count? The sperm count, 1 milliliter, 1 ml of semen has 80 to 120 million sperms. On an average, we say 100 million, just imagine, 100 million sperms are present in 1 ml of the seminal fluid. Range is 80 to 120, on an average we say 100 million. But ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है that 100 million sperms should be there, then only a male can father a child. No, 60 million is also normal. ठीक है? We'll discuss in reproductive health what is oligospermia, low sperm count, है ना? Asthenozoospermia, right? Ashutosh Kumar is asking a question. Beta, just now I have explained about it, that is nocturnal emission. The complete seminal fluid along with the sperms is released. Ashutosh, I have answered your question, beta. Lecture को आप बाद में rewind करके देख लीजिएगा. This part is important, that what is the composition of the semen. So let's understand. Let me use red color. Semen is having sperms, which are the male gametes, and the source is seminiferous tubules. See, this is a beautiful sheet. This single sheet lists component of semen, the function, and the source. Semen has mucus, yes. What is the function? Lubrication. And the source of this, it is produced by bulbourethral glands. Semen has water, yes, definitely it has water also, that's why it is liquid, and that is produced by all the accessory glands. Seminal vesicles are producing water, and even the other glands, they are producing water. Water is an important component. उसके अलावा buffers हैं semen में, yes. They are produced by prostate as well as bulbourethral glands. And what is the function of those buffers? to neutralize the acidic environment of the vagina. Why the vaginal pH is acidic? Vagina mein, there is a bacteria, Lactobacillus acidophilus. RMI is saying globally sperm problem is increasing, told by you sir 1 year ago. Can we overcome this problem? Okay. RMI Pandey, I told you previously that throughout the world we have seen that the sperm count in males is decreasing, and there are different reasons for that. Lifestyle, alcoholic substances, tobacco, drugs, wearing very tight undergarments, there are different reasons. You can check on internet that why sperm count is decreasing throughout the world. Varun Kumar, what is your question, beta? What are the different nutrients which are present in the seminal fluid? Fructose sugar, very important. Sperms utilize fructose sugar for energy. Sperms utilize fructose for energy. Citric acid hota hai, vitamin C is present, carnitine is present. There are different enzymes also in the semen. There is zinc also, there is calcium also, right? Prostaglandins are also present. So you will get the PDF of this entire session. Don't worry. Ratandeep, you are right. Lactobacillus acidophilus bacteria, which is present in vagina, that converts glycogen into lactic acid. Okay? And acidic pH minimizes the chances of the vaginal infection. Prostatic fluid slightly acidic hota hai. Prostate gland, the fluid which is produced by prostate is slightly acidic. But overall, seminal fluid has slightly alkaline pH. 7.2 to 7.7. We say 7.4. Blood का भी लगभग इतने करीब ही होता है. ठीक है जी? Right? Devansh is saying, sir, can you please take class 11 chapters after Devansh? Alternatively, I am taking 11th as well as 12th. One day class 12th, next date is 11th. Tomorrow at 3 p.m. I will be discussing Animal Kingdom, Phylum Nidaria and Ctenophora. So we are covering both 11th as well as 12th syllabus in zoology, botany, chemistry. Okay? ठीक है जी? Prostatic secretions give the semen a milky appearance. Why the semen is milky in color? Because of the secretions produced by prostate gland. And why it is sticky? Chipchipa kyun hai? Because of the secretions from seminal vesicle and bulbourethral glands that give it a sticky consistency. Okay? I told you, when the semen is ejaculated, Faizan beta, suno, जैसे ही ejaculation होता है, semen coagulates within 5 minutes. 5 minutes के भीतर it coagulates, it clots, because there are clotting factors, fibrinogen I told you. Then nearly within 10 to 20 minutes, within 10 to 20 minutes, it liquefies. Why? Because जो PSA होता है, prostate specific antigen and other proteolytic enzymes, they break down the clot, and the clot was produced by fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is the same protein which is resulting in blood clotting. That protein is causing clotting of the semen also. And as I told you, Ripu Gupta, I am PhD in neurosciences, neuroendocrinology. As I told you that we have still not been able to understand that why this happens, why semen coagulates when it is released from the male body. Can I proceed further? Hemospermia, an important term you should understand. Hemo is referring to blood. In a normal healthy person, there is no blood in the semen. But sometimes, if there is presence of blood in the semen, the technical term is hemospermia. Now, what can be the reason? There can be some kind of underlying infection, inflammation of the blood vessels which are lining the seminal vesicles. Then properly, we need to treat the patient. ठीक है जी? And what is the volume of the semen which is produced in single ejaculation? 2.5 ml to 5 ml. Now, let's understand one thing, Sarthak. Production of large volume of semen does not indicate more fertility. Say for example, a person is releasing 7 ml, 8 ml of semen in one ejaculation. That doesn't mean he is having more sperms in the semen. No, the volume of the semen is not related to the sperm count. Is it clear? Production of large volume of semen does not indicate more fertility. In fact, it indicates some kind of underlying infection. कि हो सकता है शरीर में किसी प्रकार का इन्फेक्शन हो जिसके कारण large volume of semen is being produced. Is it clear? Right, मेरे बच्चे? So, I hope I am able to convey this information in the best possible way to you people. You are liking the slides? You are liking the way I am speaking? Simple English, simplified English. Problem तो नहीं आ रहा है कोई भी. People are sending burgers and cakes and pizzas for me. Thank you so much. You guys are so nice, yaar. Acha, very soon I'll be having the free special classes on the Unacademy Plus platform. Kindly install the Unacademy Plus app in your phone. All of you have installed the app, right, ji? Even while installing the app, you can use this code Sachin Live. If you are installing it for the first time, you can use the code Sachin Live, right? And when you plan to buy Unacademy subscription and you want discount on the subscription, then this is the magical code. Doctor बनना है, doctor का code use कीजिए. ठीक है? अरे वाह, wonderful. God bless you. आगे बढ़ते हैं. चलिए जी. अब बात आ जाती है sperm के structure की. This is something which is very important. NCERT का diagram. I have taken this diagram from NCERT. I will explain each and every part. Sperm is the smallest cell in the body. Though RBCs are very small, Prerana beta. But Ishtiyaq Rajput, कैसे हो? Ishtiyaq Singh sir, पानी पी लो. Thank you, Ishtiyaq. RBCs are not typical cells because majority of the cell organelles are absent in RBCs. है ना? ठीक है जी? Murad is saying MBBS is tough. No, Murad, nothing like that, beta. If you have planned, if you have this dream that you want to be a doctor, then nothing is difficult for you, my Raja beta. Then nothing is difficult. अपना सपना अगर साकार करना है तो भाई कोई भी चीज़ मुश्किल नहीं है. फिर करना है तो करना ही है. There is no if, there is no but. चलो, अब मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. डायग्राम इंपॉर्टेंट है. क्वेश्चंस कैन बी फ्रेम्ड फ्रॉम द लेबलिंग पार्ट ऑल्सो. और इसका लेबलिंग देखते हैं जी, क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं लेबलिंग में. दिस इज द हेड रीजन ऑफ द स्पर्म. दिस इज अ स्मॉल नेक रीजन. दिस इज द टेल रीजन. एज आई टोल्ड यू, स्पर्म इज द ओनली सेल इन द बॉडी विच हैज फ्लैजेला, राइट. स्पर्म इज द ओनली सेल इन द बॉडी विच हैज फ्लैजेला. ह्यूमन बॉडी में फ्लैजेला नहीं पाया जाता है. स्पर्म के पास फ्लैजेला है जिसकी मदद से वो मूव करता है. नेक रीजन देखा, स्पर्म के पास मिडल पीस होता है. दिस मिडल पीस है सो मेनी माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया आर स्पाइरली अरेंज्ड. व्हाई दे आर स्पाइरली अरेंज्ड? सो दैट उस छोटे से एरिया में, इन दैट स्मॉल रीजन, मेनी माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया कैन बी accommodated. Acrosome is very important. Acrosome of the sperm develops from Golgi complex. Acrosome develops from Golgi complex and it is also called enzymatic knife. Hydrolytic enzymes at the time of fertilization, acrosome enzymes, they are released around the egg cell. So this part is very important. Acrosome develops from Golgi complex. सब लोग याद रखेंगे. Now just look at this diagram. ठीक है जी? Sperm head. Head region has nucleus. Head region has acrosome. This is the neck region where centrioles are present. Proximal centriole, distal centriole. This is the middle piece region. Middle piece has mitochondria, which are the powerhouse. Okay, right? Kajal is saying if Sachin Kapur sir is there, then there is no, the no degree is tough. Yes, yes. I told you, you can watch my videos of MBBS first year also. मैं आपके साथ नीट में भी हूँ और नीट के बाद में भी हूँ. This diagram, another simplified diagram of the sperm, showing you the head region. Head region has acrosome, nucleus. Sperm तो haploid होते हैं ना. Spermatogenesis we have already discussed. Spermatogenesis we have already discussed. Spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, spermatids and then sperms. That part though we have already discussed. Fazan is telling me high alluronidase, neuraminidase, acid phosphatase, alkaline phosphatase, cathepsin, zonalysin, corona penetrating, all enzymes are present. Fazan, I'm so happy you remember the names of all the enzymes which I have told you in my previous sessions. Varun Kumar, thank you so much, Ji. Okay, what is the reason for only one sperm? Sumi beta, it is quite obvious. Only one sperm should enter. More than one sperm should not enter into the egg cell, right? Why? Because sperm is haploid, egg is haploid. When two haploid cells are going to fuse, Then there is formation of a diploid cell which is called zygote. आप खुद ही सोचिए, if more than one sperms they enter into the egg cell, the ploidy level will be disturbed. Triploid, tetraploid, pentaploid. Such zygotes cannot survive in humans. Kajal beta, is it clear? Such zygotes cannot survive in humans. Shlok Mishra is asking me my name. Oh my God, Shlok. This is something really strange for me. You are attending this session, you have not even seen the title of the session. The name is already written in the title. I request other students to help Mr. Shlok Mishra that please tell him my name. Ratandeep says acrosome is very important for fertilization. Yes, beta, it is very important. Sperm is a microscopic structure. Sperm is the smallest cell in the body of the male. This smallest cell is going to meet largest cell of the female body, egg cell. Egg or the ovum is many times bigger than sperm. So the smallest cell is ultimately going to meet the largest cell of the body. So this microscopic structure has head region, neck region, middle piece and tail. अब इस पूरे के पूरे को कवर करती है plasma membrane envelops the whole body of the sperm. अनन्या, ठीक है, ऋतिक, सार्थक, plasma membrane envelops the whole body of the sperm. The important part, भाई जहां से क्वेश्चन आएगा, acrosome. Acrosome. Sperm head contains haploid nucleus and its anterior portion is covered by acrosome. Acrosome has enzymes, hydrolytic enzymes. What are they going to do? Fertilization. Raja beta, one question which will definitely be asked. Acrosome of the sperm. It is also called enzymatic knife. Why? Because it has so many hydrolytic enzymes which are collectively called, what are those enzymes collectively called? They are collectively called sperm lysins. So many sperm lysins, high alluronidase, neuraminidase, right? Shlok says, sir, I am joking. I know I love you so much, sir. I just wanted that you take my name. हाँ श्लोक तो तुम ऐसे कह देते यार, है ना, कोई और सवाल पूछ लेते. ठीक है जी, ग्रेट. श्लोक, यू हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल नेम. ओके जी, स्पर्म लाइसेंस में हाई एल्यूरोनिडेज है, न्यूराअमाइनाइडेज है. There are so many enzymes which are going to help during fertilization. Now one question which they ask you in your exams is, acrosome बनता कहाँ से है? Acrosome develops from Golgi complex. Acrosome develops from Golgi complex. Spermatids, they get converted to sperm. So that is spermiogenesis. You remember na that process? All my Raja beta, you remember? Spermiogenesis. What is spermiogenesis? Conversion or the transformation of spermatid into sperm. Transformation of spermatid into sperm. So during spermiogenesis, Golgi complex forms the acrosome. Right? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Middle piece has what? The middle piece has numerous mitochondria, right? Mitochondria, the powerhouse, spirally arranged. Why they are spirally arranged? So that more and more mitochondria can be accommodated in that small structure. So I will highlight this thing for you, that mitochondria, they have spiral arrangement. ठीक है मेरे बच्चे? Sperm का diagram also you should practice. Draw on your own. This is important. They can ask you in the exam. Now some more important information with all my future doctors. Middle piece has numerous mitochondria which produce the energy. Sperm is the only cell in the body, Varun beta, which is having flagella. These two terms, when you will solve some of the questions from different books, you will come across these two terms, Menchetti and Nebenkerin. Meninchetti and Nibinkaran. What is Meninchetti? It is a thick layer of cytoplasm in the middle piece. When spermatid is getting converted into sperm, cytoplasm thick ho jata hai in the middle piece. That thick condensed layer of cytoplasm is called Meninchetti. And what is Nibinkaran? You will find this term in some of the books and study material by different institutes and test series also. Nibinkaran means spiral arrangement. ऐसे ऐसे करके spiral arrangement है ना mitochondria का. So Nibinkaran means spiral arrangement of mitochondria in some species. In some species, you generally find it in case of insects. ठीक है जी? Right? Faizan says spermatocytogenesis and spermiogenesis are synonymous. No, Faizan. Spermatocytogenesis means formation of spermatid from spermatogonia. When spermatogonia changes to spermatid, that is spermatocytogenesis. And when spermatid changes to sperm, that is spermiogenesis. I have explained everything in my previous sessions of spermatogenesis. So, those of you who have not seen those videos, I request you to see the videos on spermatogenesis. Okay? So, it has two stages, spermatocytogenesis and spermiogenesis. Okay जी? Now, ये चीज़ हम पढ़ चुके हैं. This point is important. NCERT में से I have taken this sentence, my Raja beta. It says what? At least 60% sperms must have normal shape and size. Male ejaculates millions of sperms. Out of those millions, 60%, 60% sperms must have normal shape and size, and at least 40% of them must show vigorous motility. All the sperms are not vigorously motile. भाई 40% का motility होना ही चाहिए. ठीक है जी? Right? Some students are asking that Swati ma'am कब classes लेंगी? Daily she is taking classes at 2 p.m. Today also she has taken one class at 2 p.m. She has started with sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Okay guys, so this part is important. Let me proceed. So with that, we finish off with the male reproductive system. I discussed primary sex organs, secondary sex organs. Then we discussed about the seminal fluid, semen and the sperm structure. With that, we are through with the male reproductive system. So Raja Beta and Rani Betiya, let me know. You have understood everything from the male reproductive system. Any doubt, any question in your mind, let me know. Come on quickly. Send me a thumbs up sign in the chat box. And जिसने अभी तक like का button press नहीं करा है, press the like button to mark your attendance in my heart as well as on my channel. And I want all of you to join our Telegram group also. All these PDFs are shared on Telegram. You can join my Telegram group also. Let me tell you, if you want to join my Telegram group where you can discuss your doubts, you can get the study material, that is Dr. Sachin Kapur Talk, T-A-L-K. And plus, you must see the description of the video. You will find the link to join our Unacademy NEET Elixir Telegram group. Wonderful जी. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Question. Do you want me to solve some of the questions with you people? Are you all ready for this? सार्थक से बहुत अच्छे से समझ आ गया है. Wonderful. Gurdeep Thakur, how are you? चलिए, shall we continue? Great, Ratandeep. Which of the following are true with respect to glands of Tyson? अभी glands of Tyson गा दे, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल क्वेश्चन दे दिया. Modified sweat glands present at the corona part of the penis. Modified sebaceous glands, sebaceous समझते हैं, oil glands present at the corona part of the penis. Modified sweat glands present at the shaft of the penis. Modified sebaceous glands present at the scrotal sac. You can answer this question if you remember about smegma. Prepucial glands, I told you. Priyanshu says our gyri and sulci are enriched with the knowledge. These are modified sebaceous glands, oil glands beta, which are at the corona part of the penis. If you remember, prepucial glands, prepucial glands or the glands of Tyson, ये मैंने आपको बताया था. याद आ गया सबको? Great. Next question. Which of the following gland in males get enlarged in the old age and can result in painful urination? Dysuria हो सकता है. कौन सी gland है? After 45 years of age, we find that this particular gland enlarges in size and exerts pressure on urethra, so urination becomes difficult. Question number 2. राइट जी. कोरोना मीन्स द ऐसे समथिंग सर्कुलर रिज लाइक रीजन. कोरोना वायरस को भी ऐसे गोल दिखाते हैं ना, इसीलिए. बताइए जी. प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड, बिल्कुल सही जवाब. दैट इज सेकंड का आंसर इज ए, प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. स्पर्म आर मूव्ड अलोंग द डक्टस डिफरेंस बाय. टेस्टिस में बनने वाले स्पर्म्स आर इमेच्योर एंड इमोटाइल. How the sperms are capable of moving forward? I told you this thing. So answer question number 3. Varun, Sanjoy, Prerana, Mridul, Hadiya, Deepu. बताइए. लाइक करने में बड़े कंजूस हो, सेशन लाइक नहीं करते हो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. श्लोक बेटा आंसर दो. Sperms are moved along the ductus difference by. दिवांश ने सही कहा है peristalsis. Muaz Hussain also says correct. It is peristaltic contractions. Now, erectile tissue that surrounds the urethra. Penis has 3 columns of spongy erectile tissue, 2 corpora cavernosa and 1 corpus spongiosum. Urethra को जो surround कर रहा है, what is that erectile tissue called, which is surrounding the urethra? Question number 4. ऋतिक बेटा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर. व्हेन यू आंसर अ क्वेश्चन तो क्वेश्चन नंबर लिख दिया करो कि 4 का बता रहे हो आंसर या 2 का बता रहे हो. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर दीजिए जी. राधिका, श्लोक. द इरेक्टाइल टिश्यू दैट सराउंड्स द यूरेथ्रा. मृदुल हैज आंसर्ड इट करेक्टली. कॉर्पस स्पॉन्जियोसम. पीनस का एसिड ट्रांसफर सेक्शन बताया था ना. देयर आर 2 कॉर्पोरा कैवर्नोसा, देयर इज 1 कॉर्पस स्पॉन्जियोसम. कॉर्पस स्पॉन्जियोसम के बीच में यूरेथ्रा होता है. ठीक है जी. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. इन मेल इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस ऑफ इपीडिडाइमिस. क्या काम है इपीडिडाइमिस का? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. It monitors and adjusts composition of tubular fluid. It acts as recycling center for damaged sperms. It is the site for physical maturation of the sperms. What is the correct answer question number 5 के लिए? पांचवा सवाल. Is it A option? Please send the question number also. Sarthak is the first one to answer. Sarthak says it is D. Means A, B and C are correct. All these are functions of epididymis. We have covered in our sessions. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. The 3 masses of erectile tissue that comprises the body of the penis are. What are those 3? 2 cylindrical corpora cavernosa and 1 slender corpus spongiosum. 2 slender corpora spongiosa. Corpus spongiosum 2 होते हैं और 1 cylindrical corpora cavernosum होता है. बताओ, पहले और दूसरे में से आंसर मिल जाएगा. प्रिपूचियल ग्लैंड तो नहीं है इसमें, सो सी और डी तो नहीं होगा. नाउ योर कंफ्यूजन विल बी बिटवीन ए एंड बी. सो रिमेंबर, 2 कॉर्पोरा कैवर्नोसा हैं और 1 कॉर्पस स्पॉन्जियोसम है. देयर आर 2 सिलिंड्रिकल कॉर्पोरा कैवर्नोसा एंड देयर इज 1 स्लेंडर, स्लेंडर मीन्स पतला, कॉर्पस स्पॉन्जियोसम. 6 का आंसर इज ए. देवांश ने भी सही दिया जवाब. ग्रेट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. ऋतिक, प्रियांशु, संजय, देवांश, दीपन्विता, मृदुल. सुनो. 7. टेल ऑफ द स्पर्म हैज द यूनिक डिस्टिंक्शन ऑफ बीइंग. स्पर्म का जो टेल है उसका क्या इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर है? इट्स द ओनली फ्लैजेलम इन द बॉडी दैट कंटेन्स क्रोमोसोम्स. इट इज द ओनली फ्लैजेलम इन द बॉडी. It is the only flagellum in the body that contains mitochondria, right? It is the only flagellum in the body that contains centrioles. बताइए टेल के बारे में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. ईशा कुमारी, सार्थक, अमित दीक्षित, श्लोक. श्लोक तुम्हारा आंसर गलत है. क्रोमोसोम्स थोड़े ना होते बेटा. Only flagellum in the body, right? And which sugar is utilized by sperms for energy? Fructose sugar. Which statement regarding erection of the penis is false? It's a parasympathetic response. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो गया आपके लिए. It is an involuntary response. It is controlled by hypothalamus and sacral portion of spinal cord. It has to be followed by emission and ejaculation. बताइए इरेक्शन के बारे में कौन सी बात गलत है? Which is the incorrect statement? Which statement regarding erection of the penis is false? पढ़ लीजिए ध्यान से. I think थोड़ा लॉजिक लगा के you can answer this question. It's not very difficult. You can solve it. श्लोक श्लोक ने बार बार भेजा 7 का सी, 7 का सी। हुसैन से 8 का ए, हुसैन वो मैंने, आप सिंपैथेटिक पैरासिम्पैथेटिक में कंफ्यूज हो रहे, इजैक्यूलेशन के लिए सिंपैथेटिक कहा था, इरेक्शन की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे। सी, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट, प्रेरणा, सचिन, दीपन्विता, सबने सही कहा है। दिस इज इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, फॉल्स। ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है दैट व्हेन द पर्सन अटेन्स इरेक्शन then there should be ejaculation. No, it's not necessary that erection has to be followed by emission and ejaculation. Is it clear? Right? Arima Pandey, this is the right answer, right? False बात बतानी थी, erection के बाद जरूरी नहीं है that ejaculation has to occur. And यहाँ पे sacral वाली बात गलत है because I told you it is the lumbar region. Okay? Spermatogenesis produces. Spermatogenesis पे question है. 4 spermatids for every primary spermatocyte undergoing meiosis. Functional spermatozoon with the diploid number of chromosome. No. Sperm do not have diploid. Secondary spermatocyte with the 2n. Secondary spermatocytes are not diploid. Secondary spermatocytes are haploid. Right? Isha Kumari, Ritik, clear है? मजा आ रहा है? You are enjoying the session? बताओ. Confidence आ रहा है ना? You are learning in English. You are learning core quality subject. Wonderful slides, beautiful diagrams, animations, everything free of cost. We are not charging anything for you on YouTube, है ना? तो कितनी खूबसूरत बात है. So you must like it. ठीक है जी? Clear है बच्चे? So this is the correct answer. Spermatogenesis produces 4 spermatids for every primary spermatocyte. Okay, इतना बड़ा लंबा चौड़ा question. Trace a sperm cell from the structure where it is produced till fertilization of the egg. भाई सबसे पहले sperm बना कहाँ? 1 में बना. Okay, so सबसे पहले आ जाएगा 1. From the seminiferous tubule, the sperm goes into the epididymis. तो 1 के बाद आ गया 6. ठीक है जी? तो 1 और 6 वाले हमें यहाँ पे 2 ऑप्शंस दिख रहे हैं, बी और सी में से होगा. उसके बाद 2, 7, 5 आ रहा है, मतलब उसके बाद वास डिफरेंस में गया, उसके बाद 7 यूरिथ्रा में गया, उसके बाद 5 वेजाइना में गया. अब कंफ्यूजन है 3 और 4 में कि भाई पहले फेलोपियन ट्यूब में जाएगा या पहले यूट्रस में. ऑब्वियसली बात है यूट्रस से होके फेलोपियन ट्यूब तक पहुंचेगा, तो पहले यूट्रस आएगा, मतलब 3 वाला, और फिर एंड में फेलोपियन ट्यूब. सो दिस विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. इज इट क्लियर? अच्छा है ना ऋतिक? सो लाइक द क्वेश्चन? ग्रेट. चल नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्या कोई? खत्म हो गए क्वेश्चंस. अब नाउ व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू माय राजा बेटा, दैट इफ यू वांट टू बी अ वर्ल्ड फेमस डॉक्टर, install the Unacademy learning app in your mobile phone and go for the subscription, because I'm going to start NEET Elixir batch for NEET 2024, and you have to use this code for the membership, for the subscription. You will get 10% discount and you will be under my guidance. You will be under my mentorship, my 24 years of teaching experience. I hope you will be benefited from that. I have gathered the experience of lakhs and lakhs of successful students who are world famous doctors today, right? So how many of you are planning for the Unacademy Plus? Let me know in the chat box. How many of you have decided that you want to join my dropper batch at the Unacademy Plus platform, where I'll be teaching zoology and botany will be taught by Swati ma'am. You people want to join that batch? How many of you want to join? Let me know in the chat box. And which code you will be using? Which code you will be using? That is Sachin Live. Clear hai? Prabhat beta, Mridul Thakur ji, God bless you. Now, join our Telegram channel, that is NEET Elixir, where we share the PDFs with you people. This is our Telegram channel. Join kar lijiyega jaldi se. Unacademy Learners app you have to install. Right ji, Prabhat beta, install this app, and I have free special classes also for you. I have free special classes, okay, where you need not to pay anything. Just install the app, and when you install the app, then also you can use my code Sachin Live. Right, mere bachche? Hadia botany teacher name is Swati Batra ma'am. She has taught you what? She has taught you today sexual reproduction in flowering plants. तीरथ राज के 9 सवाल सही हुए. That's wonderful. in the Unacademy subscription, you have two options. You can choose the iconic subscription or the plus subscription, or you can join our offline centers also. So once you install the app and when you plan to buy the subscription, I'm always there to guide you people. Okay, my Raja Beta? So do not forget to subscribe our channel and attend the live classes daily at YouTube, right? Unacademy NEET Elixir channel. मृदल ठाकुर कह रहे हैं आप इतना मीठा बोलते हैं कि हमको डायबिटीज हो जाएगा। नहीं, आप चिंता मत कीजिए, हम आपको डायबिटीज नहीं होने देंगे। बीच बीच में मैं आपको मेटफॉर्मिन ड्रग भी देता रहूँगा, डांटता भी रहूँगा। चलिए, नमस्कार, बाय बाय, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। पढ़ते रहिए, खुश रहिए हमेशा। स्प्रेड लव, पीस एंड पॉजिटिविटी। Bye bye Raja Beta. Bye, and please press the like button, and you have promised that you will share this session with 5 of your friends and tell them to watch the session, and if they really like the session, they should hit the like button. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. God bless you.